We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a detailed overview of the ACIRNS 9-piece Damaged Screw Extractor Set. This product has been designed to help with one of the most frustrating challenges in DIY and repair work: removing stripped or damaged screws. If you've ever struggled with a stuck screw that just won't budge, this tool set claims to be your solution. But does it live up to its promise? Let's dive into what users love and dislike about this product based on their experiences. And if you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The ACIRNS Damaged Screw Extractor Set includes 6 screw extractors, #0, #1, #2, #3, #4, and 3 twist drill bits, HS2.0, HS3.0, HSS3 and 5, all made from titanium alloy hardened steel with a hardness rating of 6365 HRC. This material is praised for its durability and resistance to wear, making it suitable for tough jobs. The set is compact and lightweight at just 3.52 ounces, making it easy to store in your toolbox or carry around for on-the-go repairs. The manufacturer emphasizes its ease of use, claiming that removing damaged screws only requires 2 simple steps: drilling a hole with the cutting side and then extracting the screw using the removal tool. Many users appreciate the practicality of this tool set, especially for DIY enthusiasts or those who frequently encounter stubborn screws during home improvement projects. One reviewer shared that they had tried multiple methods to remove a stripped bolt, including rubber bands, screw grab solutions, and epoxy tricks, but none worked until they used this extractor set. Within 10 minutes, they were able to remove not 1 but 2 problematic bolts and complete their project without further hassle. Another user mentioned that drilling into the bolt with a medium-sized bit before using the extractor made the process even smoother. The compact size and thoughtful packaging also make this set an excellent gift for loved ones who enjoy DIY or repair work. Several buyers noted that they purchased it as gifts for their husbands, fathers, or friends, and it was well received due to its practicality and usefulness. It's described as a lifesaver for tricky repair jobs and a must-have addition to any toolbox. However, not all reviews are glowing. Some users reported issues with durability, stating that the extractor bit snapped under resistance during use. One reviewer mentioned that they followed all instructions and watched tutorial videos, but still experienced breakage within seconds of applying pressure. This left them with a broken piece stuck in the screw head, a frustrating outcome that rendered their project even more difficult. Another user described the set as cheap throwaway tools, suggesting that while it's affordable, it may not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks or frequent use. Despite these criticisms, many buyers feel that the price point makes this set a worthwhile investment for occasional use or as a backup tool in their kit. The affordable cost is highlighted as a major advantage, especially when compared to higher-end alternatives on the market. For those who don't need industrial-grade performance but want an effective solution for occasional screw extraction challenges, this product seems to strike a balance between functionality and budget friendliness. Ease of use is another frequently mentioned benefit. Users appreciate how straightforward the process is once they identify the correct size extractor for their needs. The inclusion of 3 drill bits adds versatility to the set, allowing users to drill precise holes before extracting screws or bolts. This feature is particularly useful for projects involving older screws that have rusted or become stuck over time. Overall impressions of the ACIRNS Damaged Screw Extractor Set are mixed but lean toward positive for light to moderate use cases. It's clear that this tool set can be incredibly effective when used correctly and under appropriate conditions. However, its durability may not meet expectations for more demanding tasks. If you're looking for an affordable solution to handle occasional stripped screws or bolts, and don't mind taking extra care during use, this product could be a valuable addition to your toolbox. In summary, the ACIRNS 9-piece Damaged Screw Extractor Set offers practicality at an accessible price point, but may fall short in terms of durability for heavy-duty applications. It's compact, easy to use, and versatile enough for various repair scenarios, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts or as a thoughtful gift for loved ones who enjoy fixing things around the house. If you've tried this product yourself, we encourage you to share your experience in the comments below. Your insights could help others decide whether this tool set is right for them. Remember that you can find more details about this product using the link in the description. It's a great way to support our channel while exploring whether this gadget fits your needs.